This is how to create release in Jira. From your dashboard, select a project. I'll select this mobile app and go to releases and click create version. So we can name this as initial release, set a start date, let's say 11, and the release will also be 11. And you can assign a driver. And for a description, we can say this is an initial release and click save. So now you have your first release in your project. So this is how to create release in Jira.